Payroll turns your schedules and clock-ins into wages, and it starts with each employee's daily rate. Open their profile and set the daily rate here. This is the pay for a standard 8-hour day, and every hourly and overtime rate is worked out from it. Go to the shift scheduler. This is where you build the week. Create your own shift templates, then drag and drop them onto the grid to put each employee on a shift. Go to time cards. Staff clock in and out from the POS or the station screen, and every punch lands here. If someone forgets to clock out, you can edit the time record by hand. Go to payroll, then set the pay period with the date range picker. Most shops run payroll weekly. Pick the previous week, Monday to Sunday. A common rhythm is to calculate on Monday and release wages by Tuesday. Each row pairs the scheduled shift with the actual clock in and clock out, so you can spot any gaps before you approve. Regular hours are the hours worked within the scheduled shift. The break checkbox subtracts the unpaid 1-hour break. Leave it on for a full shift or clear it when no break was taken. Excess before is time worked before the shift starts, and excess after is time worked past the shift end. These are the overtime hours paid at the overtime premium on top of the daily rate. Any day on your holiday calendar is paid at the correct premium automatically, so regular and special holidays are handled for you. Each shift carries a status. Pending means it hasn't been reviewed yet. Approved means the hours are confirmed and ready for payroll. Calculated means payroll has already been generated for that shift. Once you have reviewed each row and confirmed the regular and overtime hours are correct, select the shifts. The checkbox in the header ticks them all at once. Approve the selected shifts. Only approved shifts are counted when you generate payroll. Generate payroll. LaundryVerse calculates each employee's pay from their approved hours, daily rate, and any holidays, following Philippine labor rules for overtime and holiday premiums. Open the payroll report to see the results for the period. The report lists each employee's hours, basic pay, overtime, holiday pay, and gross pay. Approved cash advances are already deducted from net pay. Export a full breakdown or a bank transfer file when you are ready to pay. Spotted a mistake after generating? Delete the report and its shifts go back to approved, so you can fix the hours and generate it again. Open any employee to double-check their payslip. From here, you can print it or copy it to send to your staff. Payroll is available on business plans and above and can be run by owners, admins, and managers.